Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting a wallet and an exchange that supports Tether USDT. Fund the exchange with a bank transfer or card, then pick the network you want, ERC20 for interoperability, TRC20 for low fees. Once funded, place a buy order, mark it for speed or limit for price control. Make sure to note the destination wallet address and network. Sending to the wrong chain loses funds. Save your wallet recovery phrase securely and do not share it. Now you move USDT from the exchange to your personal wallet. Copy the exact receiving address and ensure the exchange is set to the identical network. Send a small test transfer first to confirm the address and chain match. This prevents irreversible loss. Once the test clears, send the remaining funds and monitor the transaction ID for confirmations. If confirmations stall, check network status and Explorer. Delays often reflect congestion or incorrect network selection rather than lost coins. Finally, decide whether you will trade, spend, or stake your USDT. Pick dApps or platforms compatible with the token standard you hold. For custody, prefer hardware wallets and split holdings across addresses for safety. If anything goes wrong, gather the transaction hash, timestamps, and screenshots, then contact the exchange or bridge support. Always mention the network used. One key troubleshooting tip: if coins don't appear, double-check that you didn't send ERC20 USDT to a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.